Hey everyone, this is Donald. I hope you guys are all having a good day. Hey, so these are the new 2-in-1s that we had made. So being said, these are currently on a discount, the ones that we currently have in stock, due to the fact that this fitting here is actually not the correct fitting. So yes, it is a JIC, it's 3/4 inch, but if you can tell, these threads, there's not a lot of them. So in turn, what they should have had is actually a lot bigger of a thread count than what is currently on here. So I have tested this. I've gotten it down to about 350. However, due to it not being the correct thread count and not what I tested, we decided that we're obviously putting them on a big discount. They still cost me money to ship. It costs me money to ship you. It costs me money for the hose clamps. It costs me money for the hose, all that type of stuff. I've gotten a hold of the manufacturer. I'm actually sending them one. For some reason, they didn't keep one that they custom made. So I'm sending them one of each. Both sides are like this, right? So they're both JIC fitted sides. They both have hose clamps. I will put them together for you, and then they'll go in a flat rate box. This is a 5-foot hose. So the testing I've done on it, I've had it run for days and days and days. Never received below about 350, but it also hasn't gone way above that either from my testing. So if you want to take these off, all you do is undo them. They get loose and you can end up, this is a real tight fit, taking it off. So you'll see it's a 1/2 inch barb, a 3/4 inch fitting. So it just goes on like this. That being said, I'm going to put them together for you so that way you really just have to put them on. Make sure you use a wrench to get them down. This is still a 37-degree fitting. I went and had it tested and everything like that. So should still be able to get very good mTOR. 350 is still a good amount of mTOR. The only thing that I'm actually super just upset about is the wrong fitting on this side. So I'm hoping the manufacturer of this will make it right. We've been in talks. They claim they're going to fix the issue and remake them. However, I'm sure I'll have to pay shipping and everything else that I did, which was $300 and some to get up here. And then every single one I ship out, I think it's like 19, 20 bucks for a medium flat rate shipping box. So that's obviously a shipping charge I have. Now, I'm rambling on and I'm going to get done with this. $125 is what they're on the website for. That includes your hose, your clamps, both pieces. I can't really go much lower just due to the fact that all this stuff still costs me quite a bit of money to get done and everything else. And then shipping and everything else. So if you guys want them, they're on the website. There's a very limited amount. If you order the one with a NAVAC, you're not going to get this JIC 37, this JIC fitting. I'm going to give you the actual adapter that goes straight into your NAVAC and straight into a 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch barb. It will still be stainless steel. By the way, all these are stainless steel and they cost a lot of money because of that. But if you guys want them, let me know. Let me know if you're having a NAVAC or if you're getting a Harvest Right Premier pump, 3/4 inch. In fact, it wouldn't matter really if it's a Premier pump as long as it's a 3/4 inch JIC fitting. That's what this is for. So all the Harvest Rights, I believe, are JIC fittings, unless if you have a super old one that's probably like 4 or 5 years old. So I appreciate it. Thank you all for your support. I've had a lot of people reach out with some very kind words. If you had an order with me with this, we've made contact. So either you got this shipped out and you agreed to the current way that it's set up, or we fixed it between us, right? So that being said, with these fittings, it is no refund, no return, all that type of stuff, right? I can't guarantee how your machine is going to run with this. So we're not going to do any refunds, all that stuff. I will try helping you, obviously, get it up and running and all that stuff. But if you haven't fixed all your vacuum leaks, then there's an opportunity. There's vacuum leaks somewhere else. And I'm gonna let you know I'd fix all your other vacuum leaks, because this does work very, very well for me. I've tested 5 of them now, and just throwing them on, and they've all gotten about right back down to 350, and that's kind of where we're sitting at, no matter which way I set it up. So pretty happy. It goes above and beyond the full 500 mTOR harvest rate has a standard for. But $125, we'll get them out. We have them already in stock. All the clamps, all the hoses, all that type of stuff are in stock. In fact, Angel's been wanting me to get these hoses out of the room that's in here because she's trying to organize, and I've been messing it up. So thank you guys so much. The new ones, if we get them and everything works out the way they claim, will be about 2 months before we get the new ones made, because they took about 5 weeks for these ones, and I've been told it's going to be probably 2 months. So just stand by if you're waiting on these. The old hoses, or the hoses we've always had, the good hoses that we've always used, the black ones, those I'm ordering more and more of. We have some in stock now. You can order those. The fresh air systems that are older, that I put together myself and test, those are still in stock. The demisters we have back here, you'll see boxes back there. Those are all the ones we have left currently, and those will probably take another 4 or 5 weeks to get in stock once we place another order. So typically when I'm down to 10 of those, I place an order, and it typically takes 2 or 3 weeks to get them in. I just don't want to be stuck with thousands and thousands of dollars of products sitting back here that I'm just keep spending money on and never, getting ahead. So I appreciate it. You guys take care. Have a good one.